gonna fuck it up more, could I?
Jesse?
You can throw it in the dryer, dude.
What did he do? Sarah?
Hey, you can wear like a big shirt and throw it in the dryer.
Sarah, what did he do? I'm taking a video.
No, I spilled more on
Wear
her.
like a big shirt and throw it in the dryer.
Jesse, say something
Oh my
to the
god,
video
I'm
camera.
so sorry.
Jesse, say something to the video.
I'm sorry, I messed up your dress, Christmas lady.
She looks like a Christmas tree. Let's paint some red dots on her dress.
Shut up, alright?
And
I'm
put
trying to clean
And
this.
put a star on her head and she will look like a Christmas
God damn it.
Oh shoot, there's somebody coming. Sara, vad hände? Bitch! Sara, vad hände? Sara, titta på mig då. Jag filmar ju.